No.
They actually run away if you get too close.
Because you are too close to them.
If you get too close, they're gonna fly away.
They fly away?
Yes. The bird can also fly.
No.
Bird, what are you doing in the back? Mama, look at that bird. That bird wants to go in the road. Mama, look at that bird.
Where is it?
It's right behind us. They try to go in the road.
It's just
walking around.
Yes, it's just walking around.
I don't know why he's doing that. Because he tried to find his parents. because he wants to find his parents.
No.
Yes.
I told you. That's not true.
That is true.
Junkie, that's not true.
That is true, Mommy.
Junkie, that is not true.
Mommy,
Yes?
there's more birds over there. I don't know why they...
Good morning,
Mom,
guys.
birds keep coming. I don't know why
Where
the
are
birds
they?
keep coming.
They keep coming because they know you give them food.
If I say that they come here,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why.
Because you want to give them food.
Ah, that's why.
Oh, I know they still not coming too. Why now?
They just come.
Good morning.
Mommy,
School runs.
There's a run
September school runs, eh?
there's a run over there.
I don't believe it's anybody's mate. September school runs for Europe.
Mom, there's run.
I know they see comment. Junkie, if you go there, they will run away.
Okay. The birds are eating on the grass.
Yes, because they are looking for food.
We have food.
You want to give them food
Yes, because they are looking for food. Mom,
because they are
look,
looking for food.
Mom, there's other, Mommy, I saw the bird almost run away.
Where?
From there. Two of that birds. I saw that right now. Right now, I always saw that. Mommy. Mom, look at that bird.
You hold this thing now, Junkie, please.
No.
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
Mommy.
I know they still not coming from
Mommy.
this side.
Mommy.
Mama
Mommy.
K, good morning.
Mommy.
Junkie, come and greet. Say good morning, Mama K.
Good morning, Mama K.
Say I love you, Mama K.
I love you, Mama K. Mommy,
Yes, my love.
I want to say Mama K something. I want to say Mama K something.
What do you want to tell Mama K?
Can we give bird fruits?
You want to ask Mama K something?
Yes.
Like what?
Give bird fruits.
You want to ask Mama K if you can give bird food?
Yes.
Oh.
Mommy, the birds are looking on the grass and finding for some food.
They are looking for food. Yes,
Yes.
Mama K will tell you to give them food.
But I don't know what Mama K's saying.
You don't know what Mama K say?
No, I don't know what he's saying.
Don't worry, Mama K will reply. Why this thing not big? I know they see comment.
Ooh.
I'm not seeing the comments, so I don't even know what Mama K is telling you.
I think he's saying yes to give the bird food.
You think he's saying yes? But you can't see the comment. How did you know she's saying yes?
Because he's not here.
Yeah, because I'm not seeing the comment. Wait, let me see if I will see it over here. So that you ask Mama K well. Look at.
No, Mama K's there.
Okay, now Mama K is here. Oh yeah.
Okay, I want to tell Mama K something.
What do you want to tell Mama K?
Mama K,
Mama K is listening. Talk.
can we give bird food?
But you have to look here while talking. What do you tell Mama K?
I was saying, can we give bird food?
Mama K say he want to ask you whether making feed Make it give bird food. Anywhere you see bird, all these bird now, go see them. They don't come out. They're there here before. It don't come out. My son go dey find bird. They ask Mama K whether making give bird food. I know they see una comment. I don't know why network just do me this one today.
Oh, piccoli. Ciao, ciao.
You see, they see comment now. Feed the answer. Okay, may give birth.
Mommy,
Waiting you see today.
we still have.
Mama K said, I'm not seeing comment. Mama K said you should give bird food.
Yes.
You see, as they are, you want to give bird food,
Yes.
and are you happy now?
Yes, I'm still happy now.
You are happy you want to give bird food? Yes, Mama K said yes. Hey, and Mama K said she loves you. What did you tell Mama K?
I love you.
I love you.
He said, I love you too.
Yes, Mama K say I love you too. My night, I'm not seeing comment, so my night was good.
Mommy,
I'm not seeing
you still
comment.
have one more food.
You see, I don't go carry the food where I want it. Don't go carry my. What do you want to use with that?
To feed the birds.
Eh?
To feed the birds.
To feed the birds.
Yes.
So that they hear that. You want to use that to feed the birds?
Yes.
Oh. The food where I keep where I want to do. And where are the birds now? Where are the birds?
Look over there.
Huh?
Look over there.
Over there.
Yep, the birds are over there.
Oh, okay.
And we go.
But you have to wait for them to come so that you give them here. Okay.
If I would put the floor in the if I put in the floor on the floor, and the bird is gonna smell it and they're gonna come here. Mommy, I saw a bird over there.
Where?
Look over there. Both of the birds are looking for food.
Both of the birds are looking for food.
Look, both of them are in the grass.
Did they tell you they are looking for food?
Yes.
They told you that.
Yes.
Birds don't talk.
Bird actually love food.
Yes, he's so excited. He always feed birds.
Yes, I do.
Good morning, everybody. I'm not seeing your comment. Good morning, guys. He's always excited. When anywhere you see birds. Oh yeah, go and give them now. Go and give them. Go and give them the food now. Bring it and let me open it for you.
Like this, I will feed the bird.
Like this, you will feed the birds. Oh yeah, take.
Okay, no.
But you have to give them. You have to cut it like this. Let me show you.
Okay.
Don't go and
How?
give them like this. If not like this, you cut it like this. You put it on the floor like this. Okay.
And they follow it.
You do it like this. Okay. If not, oh yeah, you cut it. Oh yeah, go. Cut it small. Go. Go and give them over there.
I still cut it a little bit.
Yes, cut it a little bit. Go and give them over there. Go and give them. Yes, do it like that. They will come and eat. If the birds not quick come, you go they call them bells. Bells. Go and give them.
They're following it.
They are eating. Oh.
5 birds now.
How many now?
5.
Oh yeah, go and give them. Go and give them now. They are waiting for you. No, cut it small. Oh yeah, go and give them. They are waiting for you. No, Janky, Break it, yes. Break it small, small. Bravo. Good morning, guys. I'm not seeing your comment, so that's why I don't answer now. They still want more, or you give it to them? I know they see comment. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm not seeing your comments. And Atuf, it's nice to see your beautiful face. Thank you, Henriari. Thank you. He wants to feed the bed, though. Sometimes he go just carry full loaves of bread. He go they cry for us. He'll say, make me and the father carry and go where they for the feed bears. Because he get another big garden. Oh yeah, put it there. Put it there, let them come and eat. Put it there, let them come and eat. The bears want to eat.
The other three cars. Mommy.
Yes.
That guy pushing the other car. This guy pushing the other car. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Let's calm down.
Guys, you are calling bears the guy.
I don't know why though, because
I don't tire. The girl just they follow my pikin, eh? He just they follow Anyash to Nyash, eh? Bookie, you they see waiting, I they see Bookie. Me, I never ready to carry grandchild right now, eh?
Oh my God.
I don't understand. They re-enter Bami Mas. I don't understand your comment too. The small guy just they follow my pikin, they smile. I said tomorrow, not day.
Okay, birds.
Don't blend with my pikin now.
Okay, birds. Can you calm down? Okay. These are too much fighting. Stop fighting. Stop. Mom, that bird is fighting the other bird.
Yeah?
I saw the bird was fighting the other bird.
Huh? The other bird was fighting the other bird?
Yes.
Oh.
Don't fight.
Don't fight and eat gently.
Eat your own food, okay?
Okay.
Bird, don't fight. Don't both. They try to fight.
One bed. If not Nigeria, one bed not going to answer you, sir.
Mama. They're eating.
Future
Mom, they're eating
daughter-in-law.
all of my
I
food.
tire you.
Mommy, all the food
Just they follow my pikin
Mom,
like
they-
say tomorrow not
eating
there.
my food.
Is eating your food?
They're eating the whole food. They just eat the whole food.
They eat the old food.
Yes.
Are you happy now?
Yes, I'm still happy.
Eh?
I'm still happy.
Janky, are you happy now?
Yes, I'm still happy because
See as the birds they drag the food city.
I don't know why they just did that.
See, they follow my pikin, they go. You see, you see, I no one let my pikin rest now. See, you no one let my pikin rest now. He's telling bird to calm down. Bless you, God. He should be you. They hear everything. He said, let them calm down, let them eat gently.
All the birds are not gonna fight you. They just put it on me.
They finish eating.
They still want
Hai trovato l'amica. Oya di ciao ciao. Un bacio. Janky, un bacio. Ciao. Ciao.
I don't know why they.
You see
I don't
them?
know why they eat all of your food, mommy.
Because they were hungry. You said so. They won't come out. They say make the pikin tell my pikin bye ciao ciao. Even throw away kiss join her. If I'm Christophine, I know they see comment. Is anyone seeing my comment? Yes, I they see a small. No, don't throw that thing away. Where did you pick it?
Somebody just left it over there.
That is, throw it away. Leave it there. Oh. Go and throw it away in the trash. That's the trash over there. No, that one. Janky, come and clean your hand. No one leave my pikin now.
What is it?
No one leave my pikin now. Small time now, they'll come to talk, say, tell your son, may your son leave our pikin. You see, Anna. Now the girl, they follow my pikin up and down like say tomorrow, not day now.
No, you're awful now.
When my pikin go, don't make her fall in love now.
Mine is still looking for food.
They're still looking for food?
Yes.
Today, there's no loaf of bread.
Now we
You don't check inside my bag whether another thing there. It will say big loaf. It be like say Facebook don't start. They don't start to. I know they see commercial. Except I'll go out come back. Jackie, come and clean your hands and sanitize it. Come and clean your hands. Bring your hands. Let me clean it. Then you sanitize it. I'll put sanitizer, okay? No. Come, Jackie, come. Oh my goodness. Come here.
What is it?
I want to clean your hand, Janky. That is what is it. I want to clean your hand.
Okay, they're looking for more food.
They're looking for more food?
Yes. Because they still want more food.
Yeah?
They still want more food.
They still want more food?
Yes.
Did you want us to go and buy bread and give them?
Yes.
Janky? You want us to go and buy bread and give them?
They also like cupcake.
They like?
Cupcake. They also like cupcake.
Cupcake.
Yeah, they also
You dey hear
like
now?
it.
Cupcake.
They also like it. I don't know why they just.
They like cupcake.
Yes. Bird
Oh.
also like.
Janky, we
cupcake.
should. Bears like cupcake.
Yes.
Now they hear now.
We feed them the cupcake and they like it.
Huh?
We feed them the cupcake now they like it.
You just feed them with cupcake and they like it.
Yes.
Okay, so you want us to go and buy cupcake?
Yes.
Okay, we should go and buy cupcake.
Mr.
You don't use my cupcake to feed them. Me, I go buy another. You do.
Yes, sir. I want to use your cupcake to let the bird eat.
You want to use my cupcake to feed them?
Yes, that's what I want to do.
That is what you want to do.
Yes. That's what I'm going to do right now.
Cupcake for, I tell you, Ifoma, cupcake for bears.
Yeah.
You never, I say go carry, if it's their house, you go carry loaf of bread, come out. You say, make me and the father can't go. Say make we can't carry and go where bears dey. He want go feed bears. He go use full bread. Full agege, that as agege bread big rich. He go just carry full one for us, can't take feed bears. Because he get the other garden where they dey for that side. Yes, he love bird. Donkey, come and sanitize your hand. Take. Bring, put it where. Don't worry. When we go to the supermarket now, we will buy cupcake, okay?
Okay.
You go and feed them at the other side.
Yes.
Okay.
I wish we didn't got right.
Huh?
I wish we didn't go in the right side.
Okay, now.
My I saw the mosquito got in your body.
Why?
I just saw it.
Oh my goodness. No, you never see anything. No. If we dey go decide where bed dey, anytime we want go decide where bed dey, we dey carry bread. Eh?
They are not full yet.
They are not full.
No, because they want more food.
Eh? What did they want?
More food.
They want more
Food.
food.
Yes.
Then what are we going to give them now?
Cupcake to buy.
Eh?
Cupcake to buy.
We have to go and buy cupcake. Where is the money?
Daddy still have the money.
I bet your daddy is not here now.
Because we have to help him.
Daddy is not here, so how are we going to buy the cupcake now?
I think you have no money.
No, I don't have any money.
Let's go to the supermarket without money.
Because I tell her, say, I go supermarket. So if they ask now, say, I want to go supermarket without money. He's so intelligent, Bookie, yes. Yes, I will buy bed for him. As he's growing up, I will buy bed for him. We will buy bed for him.
What did you just say?
I don't know how are we going to get
You
more.
say you're gonna buy a pet bird for me.
Yes, a bed.
Yes, and it's gonna be my pet.
It's good. Huh?
You said you said
Mm-hmm.
you're gonna give me a pet bird and make it to my pet.
Yes, I will buy a bed for you and it's going to be your pet.
Yes.
Are you happy now?
Yes.
Junkie?
Yes, I'm happy.
Are you happy now?
Yes.
Are you happy to have a bed as your pet?
Yes.
Oh, but now we don't have money to go and buy cupcake to feed all those birds. And you said they are not full yet. What are we going to do now?
Now we have to bring a pet bird to our house.
Huh? We have to take the birds to our house?
Yes, because you said the bird is gonna be my pet.
Not now. I have to. Not this one. We will go and buy another one.
Okay.
We will go and, not this one. We are not taking this one to our house. This one.
Mommy, but you said the bird is gonna be my pet.
Yes, I said so. You see, and wahala don't come. Nah. Every 1 minute. Who asked me I talk this thing? Now, you know they promise them something. Who say me I promise her now? Now you go use until they disturb my brain. Every minute, Mommy, you said you will buy me a bed. Mommy, you said you will make a bed my pet. I not go rest again. No resting. Man, you dare not promise them. Yes?
There's a big bird over there.
A big one?
I saw that right now. I saw it right now.
You saw it right now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Junkie. We have to go now. There's no money to buy cupcake to feed them. Next time, Next time we'll buy a cupcake to feed them, okay?
But Mr. Week already buy a cupcake for us before. Mommy, I saw the bird try to hide.
The birds are trying to hide.
Yes. They tried to hide on the statue. Mommy,
Yes, my
they
love?
tried to hide on that statue.
No, they're flying.
That's why.
Okay, guys. Mommy, go and buy cupcakes for bed. My answer boy has spoken. Waiting I tie for head. If you see oranges where I take come off for us, September school runs is not your mate. If for my September school runs is not your mate, oh. I not fit the sun too much. See sun. You see weather. You see as weather be. See sun. I want to make breeze enter my hair. I want to make breeze enter my hair. I not fit. I just use that I not fit carry wig. I not. In fact, I won't even use ordinary. Oh, that's I be want carry only my hair. So I just decide to tie her like that. September school runs is too stressful because it never balance. Small. Because they never they give them afternoon food. If they enter for 8:30, they go close between 11 to 11:30. You know, say this side that they build them small enter. After the holiday, they feel that they're not go just they used to school once. Junkie, no. Junkie, cool down, please, my son. So the fee say they're not go they used to school once. So that they build their that they build them entire school system small. Since this month ended, they not they eat in the afternoon. So from 11 now you go enter 12. From 12 you go enter 1 o'clock throughout this month. Then from next month, before they'll start, they'll close around 4 to 4:30. Then they go they eat afternoon food for school. Before then, you must stay within the premises, maybe for carry them go house. Even the small children self is even 30 minutes. Those ones we want start those small children now, small children from 3 months to 3 years. So now even 30 minutes, from 30 minutes to 1 hour, 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes, then 2 hours. Then they build them small. Imagine na primary school this one day. So good morning, Mama Sandy. Oh, I know they see you in the comment. Good morning, Mama Sandy. September school runs don't start. September school runs. So that is it though. Imagine now you want to enter primary 1. You must still follow and you must still stay wait. After 2 hours, you still carry and come out. They'll come add 30 minutes, add 1 hour. Oh, Mama Sandy, thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, so Karish, the small children from 3 months to 3 years. Now 30 minutes, so not they even stay. Some self, the parents go just stay inside the school there. If not picking where they cry. If you just to cry, maybe if you bring and come in 5 minutes time, they'll say no, if they cry, make you can't carry on. Not even 10 minutes, they'll say make you carry and go as no. September school runs 2 days stressful for all mothers over Europe. Mama Sandy, thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. I want to go carry the senior one. This one newly enter. This one just enter primary 1, so in own a small. We go even they are going to start finally tomorrow. Today we just go visit the school. They go even carry them go visit the school first. Go know the teachers first. Hey, Oyibosha. They'll first know the teachers. The sun too much for you, sha. Not be small work blessing. No? So if we dey talk about school, imagine people when win quiz since day for yesterday. I never feel upload them. So I go do that later. If they want to show person, they'll come put your children for different schools. They'll put one for one school, they'll put the other one for another school, man. That one you're just ready to carry a headache. They run up and down. It's not really easy. All mothers over Europe. It's even worse when it's raining. When it's raining, not just talk that one. I know what. I don't even they think psychologically. I don't they think that raining. Man, school runs not easy, sha. Thank you, Mama Sandy. Former, thank you so much. I go upload. I'll start to the upload on this afternoon. If we reach us this afternoon, I go upload the 4 sets. Janky, we have to go now. We have to go and buy plantain chips. Thank you, Mama Sandy. That one has stress so now.
I don't know if birds like plantain sheep or not.
Huh?
I don't know the bird like plantain sheep.
No, we are not going to give the best plantain chips. How about now? Mama Sandy, thank you. Hey, yeah, you want you start blast us this early morning.
Can we try it?
Come at try what?
To feed the birds.
With what?
Sheep.
With plantain sheets?
Yes.
No. Janky, I can't go to the supermarket. I can't go to the Africa shop, buy plantain chips to come and feed the bird. We will go and buy bread. Come. Can you imagine? Same way we can't feed birds with plantain chips. We should try. Come and tell Mama Sandy thank you. Come and say Mama Sandy.
Thank you.
Now say Mama Sandy.
Thank you.
No, say it first. Say Mama Sandy.
Mama Sandy, thank you.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Kiss. Kiss. Can you imagine? Say me we can't feed. Say me we go buy plantain chips. Plantain chips where I want eat. Before you even see and hear, sometimes it they hard. Somebody just come me say they don't bring and come Africa shop now. Now he say me we go buy and come take feed bed. I beg. You carry my cupcake, take feed bed. Carry my cupcake, take feed bed. Carry bread, take feed bed. Now, he said we should try it. Even when I told him that they don't eat plantain chips, he said we should try it.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
We should do what?
To try to give the bird the plantain chips.
They don't eat plantain chips. You can't convince me. I know they feed, bless them, God, I know they feed them. I know they carry my plantain chips. Now, sir, they don't, because of this war, they don't increase everything. The plantain chips where would they buy? I don't want to talk the price. In fact, I don't know whether I buy and take do quiz. If you know how much you take, they buy one plantain chips now, eh?
Please.
Please what?
Give me the bird plantain.
Eh? You can't bribe me with this.
Please.
No, junkie, that one will not work. It won't work. No. They don't increase everything. Plantain chips there now. You know how much for plantain chips? You know how much we take they buy and they even it just increase. And the plantain chips strong. I not even sure say the bears will feed it and he say me we try. Junkie, let's go now. Thank you, Mama Sandy. God bless you. Thank you. Because this is so fun. That's where they carry load. He go carry bread, put on for paper bag. You will say make me and the father come carry and go where they for the feed. Where bears they? Say he want go feed bears, that the bears are hungry. The bears will be hungry right now. The bears will be hungry. Mom, the bears will be hungry right now. We should go and feed them. If they don't they close by 4:30, your mind will still reach ground. At least if you drop them for school, you'll still go do your work, do what you want to do, still relax. For now, before till September ending, all mothers, they deserve accolade. All parents, so. If ever they laugh, now they laugh, now never see anything. Junkie, let's go right now. Let's go and buy the plantain chips. Yes, let's go and buy the plantain chips. Do you want us to use it? Junkie? Junkie? What are you doing hide and seek? Let's go and buy plantain chips and come and ask them how much it is. Come. If anybody win it, should we give the person the winning?
They actually get the money.
They actually get the money, wow.
They actually get $1,000.
Eh? How much?
They actually get $1,000.
$1,000? That's a huge amount of money.
Whoever thinks that is 10 out of 10, we're gonna give them $1,000.
Okay. Whoever get 10 out of 10, now another assignment, he won't give you feeding the. I think you see.
10,000. $1,000.
Oh yeah, let's go now.
Okay.
Whoever got it right will give them $1,000. You the year now.
Whoever gets 9,000 out of 9,000, they actually get $1,000.
Now the year now. Now the year now. Anybody will get it right. Hey, my son don't increase them. $1,000. $8,000.
That's what I think.
You're actually going to give them $1,000.
Yes.
Okay, let's go and buy the plantain chips and come and use it to do quiz, okay?
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
We have to find a shop that has plenty sheep.
Okay, we will go there now, okay? Oh, now
Someone's going by stuff.
now they laugh, now never see anything. Okay, guys, bye-bye. Later things, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.